EXAM DOST success का host Sainik Navodaya में topmost.
The sum of the place value and face value of digit 5 in the number 4,50,213. Let us define the places. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakh. So the digit 5 is at 10,000 places, so its place value will be 5 multiplied by 10,000, which is 50,000. And its face value is the number itself, so face value of 5 will be 5. The question is asking to do their sum. It will be 5, 0, 0, 0 and 5. Answer is 50,000. 5. Option number A. The difference of the place value and the face value of digit 1 in the number 57 lakhs 1,258. So the difference of place value of the digit 1 and face value of the digit 1. So we can see here is the digit 1, ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. So its place value will be 1 into 1000, 1000, and its face value is 1. Subtracting these two, this is 9, this is 9 and this is 9. Answer is 999, option C. Next question, in the number 42,815, the place value of 8 is how many times the face value of 4? 42,815. Here ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. Now pay attention to the question. Say the place value of 8. Place value of 8 is 8 into 100, which is 800. And the face value of 4. Face value of 4. Now face value of 4, face value of any number is the number itself, so it is 4. So now the question is asking that the place value of 8 is how many times the face value of 4. So we have to find out that 800 is how many times of 4. For that, divide 800 by 4. Answer is 200. So place value of 8 is 800, face value of 4 is 4. So place value of 8, which is 800, is 200 times the place value of 4. क्योंकि 4 को जब आप 200 से टाइम्स मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई करना, 4 into 200, that will give you 800. So place 4 is how many times of 800? 200 times. Answer is option number B. In the number 3,02,916, if A is equal to place value of 9, B is equal to face value of 3 and C is equal to place value of 6, then the value of A divided by B divided by C, A divided by B divided by C Understand the meaning of A divided by B divided by C. It actually means A upon B multiplied by C. This is the meaning of A divided by B divided by C. So this is what you will perform, double division. This is how you will perform. Now let us find out the value of A, B and C. Number is 3,02,916. A is place value of 9. Now place value of 9, it is at hundreds place. So it is 9 into 100, 900. B is face value of 3. Now for face value of 3, you don't need to go to the places. Face value of 3 will be 3. So value of B is 3. And C is the place value of 6. Now 6 is present at 1's place. So its place value will be 6 into 1, which is 6. Let us substitute the value. A is 900 upon 3 multiplied by 6. Let's cancel 3 and 900. You cancel by 3. This is 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. So this will be 300. 300 divided by 6. We know 6 1s are 6. 6 5s are 30. Place a 0. Our numerator is 50. Our denominator is 1. Ignore the denominator 1. Our answer is 50. Option number D. Question says the product of face value of 3, 7 and 9 in the number 7,32,519. Understand that for finding the face value of 3, 7 and 9, we don't need the number at all, because the face value of 3, 7 and 9 will be 3, 7 and 9. So we don't need this number 7,32,519. This number is irrespective. Let us multiply them straight away. 3 into 7 is 21. 21 into 9 is 189. Answer is option number B. So it is very important that you read the question carefully. If it says face value, don't start finding the place value and then multiplying, because in that case you might end up getting answer option C, or you might get confused. Answer is option B. The sum of all the prime numbers between 80 and 100. The prime numbers between 80 and 100 are 83, 89, 97. Adding all of them, 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. 9 carry 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 9 is 26. Answer is option number B, 269. The difference between the place value of 26 in the number 4,72,616. The 26, let us find out their place value and then take the difference. This is 1's place, this is 100's place. Place value of 6 at 1's place is 6 multiplied by 1, which is 6. And the place value of this at 100's place, it is 6 multiplied by 100, it is 600. On subtracting, we get this is 4, this is 9, this is 5. Answer is 594. Option number C. Question says if the number 70213x is divisible by 4, then the number of possible values of x. To understand this question, we have to understand the divisibility of 4. Divisibility of 4 says if a number the last two digit of a number is divisible by 4, then the complete number is divisible by 4. That is the first rule. And if the last two digits are 0 and 0, then also the number is divisible by 4. Now in the question here, if this complete number has to be divisible by 4, then its last two digits, which are 3x, these two should be divisible by 4. Now when I go to the table of 4, the numbers will be 32, which is 4 8s, and 36, which is 4 9s. These two are the numbers which has 3 at a tens place, and they have 2 at the ones place, 6 at the ones place. So these are the two possible. One of the values, possible value of x can be 2, and one of the another possible value of x can be 6, because these two values will make it 32 and 36, both of which are divisible by 4. So our answer, the possible values of x are 2. Answer is option number B. Now here one can go wrong by assuming that what can be the value of x. So they can, in a hurry, they can read the question, they can mark the answer as 2, which is still correct. अगर आप यहाँ पर जल्दी जल्दी में देख लेते हो कि कौन सी वैल्यू लगाने से ये नंबर 4 से डिवाइड हो जाए, तो आप यहाँ 2 लगा देंगे out of the 4 options, which is also correct, but that is not the correct meaning of the question. Very important. कभी कभी बहुत बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स में से भी क्वेश्चन थोड़े से ट्रिकी हो जाते हैं, जो जल्दी जल्दी में हमें लगता है कि वी कैन डू देम वेरी इजीली, बट देन वी इन हरीनेस we miss a point in the question which can lead to a wrong answer. So you have to be very very careful in easy questions. Answer is option B. Find the value of x for which the number 8 0 2 5 3 1 x 4 is divisible by 9. So to make this number divisible by 9, the sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Let's do the sum of the digits. The digits mentioned here: 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18, 18 plus 1 is 19, and 19 plus 4 is 23. So right now the sum of the digit is 23, and 23 is not divisible by 9. So right now this number is not divisible by 9, but we can make it divisible by 9. So what is the next multiple of 9 after 23? It is 27. And if the sum of the digit, which is right now 23, becomes 27, then this number will be divisible by 9. And to convert 23 to 27, we have to give it a value 4. So the value of x will be 4. Answer is option number A. Question says, in a division problem, the divisor is 5 times the quotient and 10 times the remainder. If the remainder is 6, then the dividend is. To say the divisor is 5 times the quotient. 5 times means 5 multiplied the quotient, and also the divisor is 10 times the remainder, means 10 multiplied by remainder. And they say that remainder is 6. So let us find out the divisor. Divisor will be 10 multiplied by 6, which is 60. So we get the divisor as 60. Now using the value of this divisor as 60, let us find out the quotient. If divisor equals 5 multiplied by quotient. Quotient I'll write Q in short form. And we have the divisor as 60. So 60 equals to 5 multiplied by quotient. You can directly find out the value of quotient. That on which number, किस नंबर में हम 5 मल्टीप्लाई करें कि हमें 60 मिल जाएगा, तो quotient 12 आ जाएगा. So which number shall we multiply by 5 to get 60? Answer is 12. So our quotient is 12. और you can also simplify 5 and 60 को हम divide भी कर सकते हैं. 5 को इधर लाएंगे, divide हो जाएगा. 60 divided by 5 हमारा quotient 12 आ जाएगा. Now we have the quotient 12, divisor 60, remainder is 6. We know that dividend equals divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Divisor is 60, quotient is 12, remainder is 6. Remember to follow the BOD mass here. 60 into 12 is 6 into 12, 72. So this is 720 plus 6. Answer is 726. Option number A. This type of framing, जनरली इस तरह की फ्रेमिंग के क्वेश्चन रेफरेंस बुक्स में बहुत दिए हुए हैं. जितने भी आप बुक्स उठाएंगे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए हैं, पर समहाउ एग्जाम में आज तक इस तरह का प्रॉब्लम नहीं आया. पर ऐसा नहीं कि आ नहीं सकता, बिल्कुल पूछा जा सकता है. तो आपको ये वर्कआउट करना आना चाहिए. हाउ मेनी कंपोजिट नंबर्स आर देयर बिटवीन 23 and 43? Composite numbers. Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than 2 factors or more than 2 divisors. For example, take a number 4. This is the smallest composite number. And what are the divisors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. So this number has more than 2 divisors or factors. So since it has more than 2 factors, it is a composite number, and 4 is the smallest composite number, the first composite number. कंपोजिट नंबर्स ऐसे नंबर्स होते हैं जिनके 2 से ज़्यादा फैक्टर होते हैं, 3, 4, 5. एंड द कंपोजिट नंबर्स आर 1 को और सारे प्राइम नंबर्स को हटा दें तो हमें मिलेंगे कंपोजिट नंबर्स. तो 23 एंड 43 के बीच में देख लेते हैं. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42 and 43. Now first of all, going by the language of the question, हमें निकालना है कंपोजिट नंबर बिटवीन 23 एंड 43, मतलब 23 और 43 के बीच में. तो 23 हमें नहीं लेना है, 43 भी हमें नहीं लेना है, इनके बीच में देखना है. तो इनके बीच में जितने भी प्राइम नंबर्स है वो हटा दीजिए, जो बचेंगे वो कंपोजिट नंबर्स होंगे. नाउ प्राइम नंबर्स वी डिस्कस द नंबर्स विच हैव ओनली 2 फैक्टर्स. ऐसे नंबर्स जिनके सिर्फ 2 फैक्टर होते हैं, 1 एंड इटसेल्फ. एक 1 होता है, एक वो खुद होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 इज अ प्राइम नंबर, 3 इज अ प्राइम नंबर, 5 इज अ प्राइम नंबर. इनके सिर्फ 2 ही फैक्टर होते हैं. 2 का होता है 1 एंड 2, 3 का होता है 1 एंड 3, 5 का होता है 1 एंड 5. सो दे आर प्राइम नंबर्स विच हैव ओनली 2 फैक्टर्स. तो यहाँ पर 24 कंपोजिट होगा, 25 कंपोजिट होगा, 26, 27, 28 कंपोजिट होंगे. 29 प्राइम नंबर होगा, उसे हटा दीजिए. 31 इज अ प्राइम नंबर, हटा दीजिए. 37 इज अ प्राइम नंबर, हटा दीजिए. 41 इज अ प्राइम नंबर, हटा दीजिए. तो टोटल हमारे नंबर्स हैं 19, 23 और 43 के बीच में है नंबर्स है 19, और उसमें से 4 हैं प्राइम नंबर, वो हटा देते हैं. 19 minus 4, आंसर इज देयर आर 15 composite numbers. Answer is option number C. Question says x, y and z are prime numbers such that x plus y plus z is 38. What is the maximum value of x? Now we can get 38 by many combinations, but the condition is that x, y and z are prime numbers. और अगर उनका सम 38 आ रहा है, तीनों का सम अगर 38 आ रहा है, तो इनकी वैल्यू 38 से ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकती. So let us first take the prime numbers below 38. They are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31 and 37. So these are the prime numbers लेस देन 38. अब हमें 3 वैल्यूज लेनी है कि x की भी एक वैल्यू लेनी है, y की भी लेनी है और z की भी, और तीनों का सम 38 करना है. तो हमें ये बताना है कि x की मैक्सिमम वैल्यू क्या हो सकती है. सो लेट अस टेक द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू. अगर हमने मैक्सिमम वैल्यू 37 ली x की, तो y और z हमें स्मॉलर वैल्यूज लेने पड़ेंगे. y और z को हमें 2 और 3 लेना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ये अलग अलग नंबर्स हैं. तो सेम हम 2 और 2 नहीं ले, तो y और z को अगर हमने 2 और 3 भी लिया, तो इनका आप सम जो हो रहा है वो 42 हो रहा है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंडीशन वो 38 होना चाहिए. मीन्स दिस 42 इज नॉट वर्केबल. इसका मतलब x की वैल्यू हम 37 नहीं ले सकते. अच्छा, अब देखते हैं 37 के बाद जो छोटा प्राइम नंबर है वो 31 है. अगर हमने x को 31 लिया, y को 2 लिया और z को 3 लिया, तो ये वैल्यू आ रही है 36. सो दिस इज पॉसिबल एक्चुअली. लेकिन हमें वैल्यू को 38 लाना है, तो हम एक काम करते हैं, हम x को तो 31 ही रखते हैं, y को 2 रखते हैं और z को हम 5 ले लेते हैं. अगर आप z को 5 ले लेंगे, नाउ दिस सम इज कमिंग टू 38. इट मीन्स x की जो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ली जा सकती है वो 31 ली जा सकती है. इससे ज्यादा आप नहीं ले सकते. आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, 31 is the answer. Says what is the least value of x so that the 5-digit number 7, 2, 5, x and 3 is divisible by 9. So divisibility of rule of 9 is the sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. If in a number sum of the digit is divisible by 9, then the complete number is divisible by 9. So right now let us check the sum of the digits other than x. x को हटाकर जो digits हैं उनका sum क्या आ रहा है. This is 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 3. right now the sum is 17 और 17 9 से डिवाइड नहीं होता है. तो अब हमें x की वैल्यू क्या देनी होगी. तो उसके लिए आप ये देखो कि 17 के बाद कौन सा नंबर है जो 9 के टेबल में आता है, वो 18 है. अगर इनका जो सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स आ रहा है अभी 17, अगर इसे आप 18 कर दो, मीन्स +1 कर दो, तो सम 18 हो जाएगा, वो 9 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा. मीन्स द कंप्लीट नंबर 9 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा. तो इसका मतलब x के जगह पर हमें यहाँ पर 1 देना होगा, x की वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगी. आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी. The number used for C, D, L, X, X, V, I in the Hindu Arabic system. So this is a Roman number. Let us convert it into Hindu Arabic system. C is 100, D is 500, L is 50, X is 10, X is 10, V is 5, I 1 and 1. So first it's starting with 100, but after 100 comes 500. So when a smaller symbol comes first and then comes a greater symbol, so we have to subtract these two. 100 minus 500, this will be 400. After 500 is a smaller symbol, so this will be added 50. Again smaller symbol 10, 10, same symbol, so it will be added 10, 10, 5, and 1 plus 1, this is 2. 400 plus 50 is 450, plus 10 is 460, plus 10 is 470, plus 5 is 475, plus 2. Answer is 477. Answer is option number C. So our answer is option number B, 477. Question is asking the value of CXLV plus CCXCV plus CDV. Let us find out the values of these three Roman numbers. C, X, L, V. C is 100, X is 10, L is 50, V is 5. So after 100 comes 10, so we will add, but after 10 comes 50, so we will have to subtract here, and after 50 comes 5, so we will add here. So 10 minus 50, this is 40, plus 5. Final answer is 100 plus 40 plus 5. This will be 145. Next is CC X CV. C is 100, the C is 100, X is 10, C is 100, V is 5. So after 100 comes 100, it's a repetition, we'll add. After 100 comes 10, smaller symbol we will add, but after 10 comes greater symbol 100, so here we have to do the subtraction, and after 100 is 5, so we have to add here. So the final value will turn out to be 100 plus 100 plus 10 minus 100, this is 90, plus 5. So this will become 100 plus 100, 200 plus 90, 290 plus 5, this becomes 295. Finally we have CDV. The value of CDV: C is 100, D is 500, V is 5. After a smaller symbol 100 comes a bigger symbol 500, so here we have to subtract here. 100 minus 500, this is 400, and after 500 is a smaller symbol 5, so we have to add 400 plus 5, it is 405. Now according to the question we have to add all these three. 145 plus 295 plus 405. On adding them, 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15, 5 carry 1, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 9 14, 4 carry 1, 2 plus 2 4 plus 4 8. Answer is 845. Option number D. The Roman numeral for the number 2994 let us break it down. 2000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 4. We can further break it down. 2000 will be 1000 plus 1000, 900 will be 1000 minus 100, 90 will be 100 minus 10, and 4 will be 5 minus 1. 1000 we know is M. Second, next this is also M. 1000 and 1000 comes M and M. Then now we have to do 1000 minus 100, and for subtraction the smaller symbol should be written first and the greater symbol should be written later. So the smaller symbol, the symbol of 100, C should come first, and the symbol of 1000, greater symbol, M should come later. That is how we will do the subtraction. 100 को हमें पहले लिखना होगा और 1000 को हमें बाद में लिखना होगा, तभी वो माइनस होंगे. So C should be written first and then M should come. Then again in 110 the 10 symbol should come first, which is X. 10 को पहले और 100 को हमें बाद में लिखना होगा, तभी वो माइनस होंगे. So X should come first and C should come later. And finally for 5 minus 1, again 1 should come first, so I, and 5 should come later, तभी वो माइनस होगा. स्मॉलर पहले और ग्रेटर बाद में आना चाहिए. So I should come first and V should come later. Our final answer is M. M, C, M, X, C, I, V. Answer is option number A. Question says the Roman numeral for the difference of place value of 2 in the number 7,32,012. So the place value of 2, this is ones place, this is the thousands place. Let us find out the difference of place value and then write the Roman number for that. So 1 at the thousands place, place value of 2 at thousands place will be 2000, and place value of 2 at ones place is 2. Subtracting them we get, this is 8, 9, 9 and 1. So let us write down the Roman number for 1998. That is 1000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 8 can be broken down as 5 plus 3000 is M. 900 will be written as 1000 minus 100. 90 will be written as 100 minus 10, and 5 and then 3. So 1000 will be M. 1000 minus 100, for this the symbol of 100 should come first and then should come the symbol of 1000. तो 100 के symbol को हमें पहले लिखना होगा, 1000 के symbol को हमें उसके बाद लिखना होगा. So C should come first, then M. Then 100 minus 10 में भी 10 का symbol हमें पहले लेना होगा, 100 का symbol हमें बाद में लेना होगा. So that will be X and C. 5 is simple, it is V. 3 is I. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that is I and I. Answer is option number C. M, C, M, X, C, V, I. Question says which of the following Roman numerals is valid? C, X, C, C, V, I. Let's find out. C, X, C, C, V, I. C is 100, X is 10, C is 100, again this C is 100, V is 5, I is 1. So after 100 comes 10, and then comes 100, then comes again 100. So these two I will have to subtract. So this will be 100 plus this is 90 plus 100 plus 5 plus 1. 100 plus 90 is 190. 190 plus 100 is 290. 290 plus 5 is 295. Plus 1 is 296. So this value is coming 296. Now the actual way of writing 296 is 200 plus 90 plus 5 plus 1. 200 can be written as 100 plus 100, which is C and C. 90 can be written as 100 minus 10, and when we have to do 100 minus 10, the symbol of 10 should be written first, so X should be written first, and then the symbol of 100, C, should be later. 5 is V, 1 is I. So the actual symbol for 296 should be CC XC VI and not CX CC VI. So the first Roman number is not valid. Let's move on to the second one. C X C V I. C is 100. This C is 100. This is 10. This is 100. This is 5. This is 1. 100 plus 100, this will be added. 100 plus 10 will be added, but this 10 minus 100, this should be subtracted, and then this 2 should be added. So this is 100 plus 100, 200, plus this should be subtracted, so 10 minus 100, this is 90, plus 5 plus 1, this is 6. So total value is 296. So let us see how we can write 296. 296 can be written as 200 plus 90 plus 6 can be written as 5 plus 1. So 200 is 100 plus 100. 90 is 100 minus 10. 5 is 5 and 1 are simple, it's no problem to write. 100 and 100, this is C and C. 100 minus 10, the symbol of 10, X should come first. Symbol of 100, C should come later. 5 is V, 1 is I. So the correct symbol for 296 should be CCXCVI, which is actually given rightly in the option. So option number B is a valid symbol. You can verify the others, C and D, they will be invalid, because when you convert them to the actual Hindu Arabic numbers and when you write the Roman values, you will find a difference in them, as we have done in the option number A. Correct answer is option B.